Hey everyone, you're on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we are going to explore Surfinite, an anti-detect browser designed for managing multiple accounts across popular web platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, PayPal, and others. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Surfinite offers a robust set of features for managing browser profiles. Each profile has a unique fingerprint, enabling successful bypassing of checks on services like Pixel Scan, AmiUnique, and Creep.js. Profile data is cloud stored, allowing access from any device. The tool supports API for developers and automation through Selenium, streamlining routine tasks. You can create categories, add extensions, and bookmarks without spending time configuring each profile individually. Easily organize collaborative work, automate business processes, configure access to profiles and rights for smooth interactions. And for storing profiles conveniently, nested groups allows distributing profiles and granting access to individual users. By the way, Surfinite offers 4 pricing plans, along with a free 7-day trial period activated by registering on the project's website and subscribing to its news channel, bot, and chat in Telegram. The mini plan for just €29 caters to users needing up to 30 profiles. This plan includes manual fingerprint configuration, account cloning, and basic synchronization capabilities, ideal for those starting out or managing smaller scale operations. With the starter plan priced at €89 monthly, you can create up to 120 profiles. This plan not only offers full access to all basic platform functionalities, but also supports team collaboration. An additional feature allows expanding your team for just €10 per member, without a cap on team size, making it perfect for growing businesses. The advanced plan comes in at €169 per month, providing substantial capacity for up to 350 profiles, and includes 3 team members at no extra cost. Each additional team member is just €15, positioning this plan as a robust choice for larger teams and more complex projects. The ultimate plan is offered at €369 per month. It allows the creation of up to 1,000 profiles and includes connections for 6 team members for free, with each extra member costing €20. Clients on this plan enjoy unrestricted access to all functionalities the platform has to offer, making it the premium choice for high-demand users. Let's move on to the browser interface. The application features a top menu bar that allows quick switching between the homepage, session list, program settings, and user profile. Home displays a list of created clusters, the number depending on the subscription type. Session contains a list of all active and completed sessions. Preferences. This is the main program settings menu where you can adjust the scaling of fonts and other interface elements. And the My Accounts section opens a context menu, allowing access to account settings and the affiliate program, where you can change the username, profile logo, and password. Switching between main sections is facilitated by the sidebar on the left. The Profiles tab serves as the central workspace where you can create, edit, and distribute profiles across groups, tailored to fit various operational needs. In groups, you can organize profiles into categories based on projects, teams, goals, tasks, and other specific directives, enhancing structured access and management. The Recycle Bin section securely holds deleted user profile data for 48 hours, providing a grace period for recovery before final deletion, ensuring data integrity and security. The Proxy List tab offers functionalities for adding, editing, importing, and exporting proxies, facilitating versatile management of your network resources. Presets delivers predefined profile settings that apply automatically when creating new profiles, streamlining setup processes and maintaining consistency across operations. Users tab enables comprehensive management of user access, allowing you to view all project participants and modify access rights as needed, ensuring secure and efficient team management. The Settings section provides a control panel for modifying the names, icons, and descriptions of clusters, alongside displaying API identifiers and keys, which simplifies the integration with other systems and automates workflows. And lastly, the payment section details your current subscription status, showing the number of profiles connected and available, as well as tracking the allocation and availability of slots for team members, keeping you informed of your usage and capacity. Now let's create a new profile in Surfinite. I'll guide you through the process. Navigate to the Profile section and click New Profile. Choose the container, owner, name, and description of the profile. Below, you have the option to configure extensions, bookmarks, and cookies. Select the operating system version in the top right corner. To initiate random fingerprint customization, press the Generate button in the top right corner, or manually configure data in sections such as Navigator, Screen, Geolocation, WebRTC, Hardware, Fonts, and other. Instructions for setting up proxies can be found via an on-screen annotation. After entering all necessary data, click Save. Surfinite is a powerful tool for managing multiple advertising cabinets, social media accounts, and working with betting platforms and crypto exchanges, where anonymity and protection from anti-fraud filters are required. Each profile maintains a unique fingerprint, minimizing the risk of blocks and restrictions. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.